prioritizing is simply knowing which tasks should be done first. So in order for you to do that, you need to make a to-do list, probably, maybe block time for specific tasks. Time management is essential for entrepreneurs who have a 9-to-5 job. In order to build a successful business while working full-time, you need to know the exact management skills and secrets of time management so that you could have more time for your business and your 9-to-5. This is why I am creating this video for you, where I show you exactly how I do it myself, because I am still working on my 9-to-5 because I wanted to, try and see how it works. So today's topic is all about time management and balancing your business with other responsibilities. Hi there, I'm Alice. I'm a life and a business coach, and I have created this channel to make life easier for you. So subscribe to the channel if you like my content so far. Give me a thumbs up because it helps the algorithm know that I'm posting good quality content. And of course, let us know in the comments below what you think. The first thing you ever have to do when it comes to handling a job and also a side hustle is knowing how to prioritize. Prioritizing is simply knowing which tasks should be done first. So in order for you to do that, you need to make a to-do list, probably, maybe block time for specific tasks, and also you need to prioritize the tasks that are most important. So what I do myself in these type of situations where I have an important task, which is a big project, I just divide it into different sections which are smaller and more manageable tasks. So, you need to estimate also the time needed for each task. The more you do those tasks, the more you are going to be aware of how much time this task is demanding for you. And once you realize that you have just like, for example, let's say you have to create content and this takes you 1 hour to take the full content of the whole week. So take the time, prioritize it, and schedule it. So the second thing is really about setting realistic goals. I know we as entrepreneurs, we have so many amazing freaking ideas and we're all over the place. This is exactly what was happening to me today. Like, I had so many different ideas. I want to work on so many different projects, but the reality is I needed to set realistic goals. That's exactly what I want you to do.
Don't overwhelm yourself with so much. As you
may know, you don't have so much time. You don't have your full time. You're not a full-time entrepreneur, right? So what you have to do here is really to manage your time and according to realistic goals, which is you need to set more achievable steps and also break down your goals into smaller chunks. Once again, this tool has helped me a lot in completing so many of my tasks, and trust me on this one. If you know how to manage your time and how to prioritize, as well as how to set realistic goals so you can realistically achieve those small goals. But remember, you are going to have time to do all those things once you quit your job. So go slowly, prioritize, and then everything is gonna come. And the third thing is, that's weird to say, but I don't know if you've heard of this, but everyone has productive hours of the day. Some people are more productive during the morning, some other people are more productive at night. So that's what I want you to do right now, which is you need to find your work balance. What do I mean by your work balance? It is knowing when are you the most productive. So for example, you are more productive in the morning, then schedule the harder and the most complicated tasks for the morning. Don't let those tasks be done by the end of the day, because that's not your hours and these are not the suitable hours for you. So once you have identified your hours, like productive hours, I want you to avoid distraction. I know we receive a lot of messages on our phones. We are like always scrolling down, and I want you to set your phone on a mode that is going to avoid any distractions. Like, you have so many different modes on iPhone, like do not disturb, work mode, sleep mode. You can also set a new focus mode in here. So please, I want you to avoid distractions so that you can achieve the most of your daily tasks. And then you have to make the easiest tasks for the end of the day, because that's when you feel tired, that's when your focus is worse, let's say, not like great. So that's the moment where you will need to focus on doing the smaller tasks. And of course, there is something that not many entrepreneurs are going to mention to you, but it is making time for self-care. So if you don't have enough energy, if you don't have enough time for yourself, and you don't give yourself enough time to resource and have energy back, then trust me, you are not gonna make it. At one point, you're gonna feel so overwhelmed and so tired of all those shit that you're going to give up. And I am going to give you one last tip, and this one may sound ridiculous, but after hearing it, you will understand why I really recommend that you do that. So it's automating and outsourcing. So, we as entrepreneurs, we have some repetitive tasks. Like, for example, me as a content creator and a YouTuber and a life and a business coach, I have to create content all the time. And some of my most repetitive, tasks is to create YouTube thumbnails. And this is why I've been thinking about this a lot. So I have decided to hire someone who is going to do the thumbnails for me, to make me focus on things that will make me more money in my business. For example, coaching my clients. I have a lot of clients and I need to give that time for my clients. And by the way, I'm going to stop right here to tell you about my offer as a life and a business coach. So if you want to work with me on a one-on-one level, I do have personalized programs according to your needs. So you can hop down below, just go down below, and you will find the link to apply for my programs, and you will just have to fill in a Google form worksheet, just a Google form worksheet, yes, and you will have to tell me if you're the right fit and if I am the right fit for you. If that's the case, let's start your coaching business and let's start your best life together. So I am going to recommend to you to go and grab your planner down below. You'll have to sign up just down below, and you will receive 2 freebies from me that are going to be so helpful in your daily life and will make life easier for you. And personally, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. I have created this calendar on Canva that I use on a daily basis. Look at this, it's just amazing. I put my pictures on it. You can really do it the exact way you want to. So I really organize my days according to what I need to do first, and I prioritize. Remember, you need to manage your time the right way so that you can succeed. So thank you so much for sticking till the end of the video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below so that the algorithm knows that I am providing you with good quality content. And of course, if you want, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification button so that you receive every single news from me. So see you in the next video. Bye.